About me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. The hooks that we'll be using are 4mm crochet hook and a 4mm crochet hook and a 3mm crochet hook. You'll also need a scissors, measuring tape or ruler, tapestry needle, and some orange yarn or whatever color yarn you're choosing for the base, and some scrap yarn for the face. So we'll be making a cozy cup. We'll start off with the 4mm crochet hook. We start by making a slip knot. We chain 17. Skip this first chain at the hook and we go into the second chain from the hook, doing a single crochet, and we'll make a total of 16 single crochets, and I'll meet you at the end. So after making a total of 16 single crochets, we chain 1, turn our work, and we repeat doing single crochets until the end of this round, and I'll meet you there. Okay, so for this round, the third round, we will go into the back loops, doing single crochets in the back loops only for this third round. Chain 1, turn our work, then we will go into both loops for this round and 2 more of this round. So for a total of 3 rounds, we'll be going into both loops, and I'll meet you at the end of the third round. Well, the third round of this. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th round. This is the end of the 6th round. Chain 1, turn our work, and once more we go into the back loops only. So the pattern for this cup cozy or cup sleeve or cup holder is every 3 regular rounds of single crochet, we do a round of back loop only single crochets. So after this back loop, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 rounds of single crochets going into both loops. Then we do a back loop only row around of single crochet. going into the back loops, and it should come to like widthwise going across, and this would be the length. So widthwise it should come to a total of 9 inches, around 9 inches, or this is like 24 centimeters when stretched going across. So we're going to be working with across, and it should come to around 9 centimeters when you pull and stretch on it. So keep going. Every three rounds of single crochets going into both loops, we do a round of back loop only single crochets. So keep going until around 9 inches or 24 centimeters when stretched, and I will meet you there. So we'll weave a tail to merge, put them together, long enough to do so. Ensure that you chain one, hook through the tail. So this is the right side up. The smooth side would be the other side. Okay, so I'm going to do a whip stitch along this section here. Hold on, let me put in the thread. Okay, so to do the whip stitch, we go through that beginning V here, then come over to this side. Then again, I don't even know if this is a whip stitch. I believe it is, and you'll just keep doing so, or whichever stitch you feel most comfortable doing. So yeah, we're just going to attach this, and I'll meet you there. And so for the eyes, make a slip knot. If you did the jack-o'-lantern, I don't even know which one I'll be posting first, so maybe not. So for the eyes, I'm gonna chain 2 using a 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 2, so this is 1, 2. Skip that first chain there into the second chain, replace 1 single crochet, chain 1, turn our work. Into that 1 single crochet, we're going to put 2 single crochets. So we go through that V here, the top of the single crochet. So that's come on. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Chain 1, turn our work, place a single crochet here, then 2 single crochets into that next single crochet from the previous round. So it's a total of 3 single crochets in this round here. Chain 1, turn our work. So it's 1 single crochet across for a total of 3 single crochets in this round. chain 1, and we cut a tail long enough to stitch it onto the cozy cup. Then we will make this once more for 2 sets of, well, a pair of eyes. So for the nose, make a slip stitch, slip knot, excuse me, chain 2, skip that first chain. To the second chain from the hook, we place a single crochet, chain 1, turn, then we place 2 into that single crochet, so 2 single crochets into that single crochet, nose, chain 1, leave a tail long enough to attach the nose, then for the mouth, slip knot, chain 11 actually, we chain 11, so that's, so that's 11. We skip that first chain and we enter the second chain. We do a single crochet and another single crochet into that stitch, into the second, well, the next stitch, and into that third stitch we place a half double crochet, and for the next 4 stitches, the next 4 chains actually, we'll do full double crochets. I didn't say full. So okay, so that's 4, then a half double crochet, then a single crochet and another single crochet. We can just slip stitch into that same space. This is optional. And then chain 1, and we leave a tail long enough to attach the mouth. So when you're attaching the mouth, you can turn it upward to give it that sinister or eerie look. Okay, so time to attach. Okay, so what I like to do is to attach, use like a pin or a stitch marker to keep the face in place while I'm stitching. So you can do that. So you'll just use your tapestry needle, you know, position the features how you would want them to be on this cup cozy, and yeah, so just attach the face and I meet you there. All right, so this is the finished look, and we're going to try it on this cup. Let me show you the measurements of this cup. The base is around inches, or if you use centimeters, it's around 20 centimeters. Peak, the fattest part of it, is around 9 inches, or this is about 24 centimeters, and the length is around almost 5 inches, or 13 centimeters. So let's try it on this cup. Okay. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was good for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was good for you. And please like and subscribe and share if possible. Thanks again. Till next time. Bye bye.